Hello everyone, welcome to the Beginner Photoshop course. In this course you will learn the best techniques and tools used in the Photoshop software to create your own great designs in a simple and easy way. The course starts with you from scratch until you become a professional designer. This course is divided to 5 phases. In the first phase you will learn the basics, like creating new projects and adding files to the Photoshop software and getting familiar with the software interface. In the second phase, we will work on some great designs using the tools bar. Designs like In the third phase, you will learn to correct and balance the colors and add in some effects like In the fourth phase, you will learn to work with fonts and text and harness them to create attractive designs in a simple and easy way. In the fifth phase, which is an advanced phase, you will learn to apply the designs on mockups, and you will also learn to manipulate images and add in effects to them. And you will learn to create a professional advertising poster and how to create an animated image. So go ahead and subscribe to this course.